Dear students, let's we understand about basics of batteries in this session of the in this video. My name is Arjun Joshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Vidya Vikas Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mysuru. First, what are all those contents are there in this video? Let's we discuss batteries technologies, extractable energy, battery pricing, batteries life, and battery maintenance. What do you mean by this battery technologies? The name of battery technology is based on the name of material used to make battery cell. There are two commonly used technologies are there, lead acid batteries and lithium ion batteries. For example, what is the example for this lead acid battery? Bus battery, solar battery, inverter battery. And then what is the example for this lithium ion battery? That is nothing but our mobile battery. Other batteries are there, that is nothing but nickel, cadmium, and the nickel metal oxide and sodium ion batteries are also available. But major batteries are application oriented batteries are lead acid battery and then lithium ion batteries. Okay, now let's we understand about the batteries. A battery cell is most basic unit of batteries. Okay, using many cells one can make battery pack. Okay, a lead acid battery cell give 2 volts per cell. Okay, 2 volts per cell. I'm going to connect two cells in series. That is nothing but 2 into 2 is equal to 4 volts. Connecting, if in case I want 12 volts, that is nothing but 6 cells I'm going to connect in series. That is nothing but 2 volts will going to give from one cell. I'm going to connect 6 cells in series cascaded way. That is nothing but 6 into 2, 12 volts. Okay, now I'm going to consider lithium ion battery cell gives 3.7 volts. What is the difference? Lead acid battery will going to give 2 volts per cell. Here lithium ion battery will going to give 3.7 volts. Okay, that is the difference between lead acid battery and lithium ion battery. Lead acid batteries are used for large applications, that is nothing but I already informed, bus, solar, inverter. Lithium ion batteries are used for small applications like mobile. Okay, extractable energy. What do you mean by this extractable energy? Very simple. That is nothing but depth of discharge. Okay, percentage of energy that can be taken from our battery. Depth of discharge of lead acid battery is 50%. Depth of discharge of lithium ion batteries are more. That is nothing but 80 to 90%. For example, in case of lead acid batteries, energy stored in 12 volts 100 ampere hour batteries is 12 into 100, that is nothing but 1200 watt hour or 1.2 kilowatt hour. Okay, with 50 percentage depth of discharge. What is the depth of discharge of lead acid battery? 50 percentage means what is the extractable energy I'm going to take if in case 100% means 1200 watts. I'm able to use only 50 percentage, that is nothing but only 600 watts of total stored 1200 watts can be taken out. Okay, in case of lithium ion battery, energy stored in 11.1 volts, 10 ampere hour battery is 11.1 into 10 is equal to 111 watt hour with 80 to 90% of depth of discharge. That is nothing but 111 into 0.9, that is nothing but 99.9 watt hour would be available. Means total amount of energy stored is nothing but 111 watt hour. In that 111 watt hour, I can use 99.9. How? Because it has 80 to 90 percentage of depth of discharge. Now this is the pictorial representation of lead acid battery and lithium ion battery. Means lithium ion battery means here I'm able to extract only 50 percentage. Here I can extract up to 80 to 90 percentage capacity. Next topic is battery life, means number of charge and discharge cycles. Lead acid batteries give 800 to 1500 cycles. That is nothing but one cycle, one day means complete charge, complete discharge. That is nothing but 1500. 365 days per year means 1500. That is nothing but around 3 to 5 years life for this lead acid battery. One charge, one discharge, that is nothing but a 1 day of life. Lithium ion battery gives 1200 means compared to this lead acid battery, it will going to give life more life for batteries 1200 to 2500 means 4 to 8 years lifespan battery life. Now let's we discuss about battery price. Battery price is given in rupees per watt hour. Battery price for small size batteries means lead acid is equal to 8 rupees per watt hour. Lithium ion battery 70 to 20 rupees per watt hour. Battery price of large size battery. If in case battery size will going to increase, the cost will also reduce. Lead acid battery 7 to 8 rupees watt hour. Lithium ion battery 7 to 16. In case of small size 7 to 20 rupees per watt hour. Here 13 to 16 rupees per watt hour. Battery maintenance, no moving part, no maintenance. Because here in the battery, there is no moving part. So that's why wear and tear is not there. So maintenance free. But tubular batteries need maintenance means you need to put some distilled water for the tubular batteries. Okay, store at cool and dry place is the only maintenance for the batteries. You can use insulating material under the batteries like wooden, insulating material in plastic you should put under the batteries. Okay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for listening. Thank you so much.